Good morning, children. How are you? These days, we are doing the chapter Shapes and Space. Children, yesterday we had learnt about circle. We had learnt about center of the circle, radius, diameter, and circumference of the circle. And we had also learned to draw a circle with the help of a compass. And today we will learn to find the diameter of the circle, find the radius of the circle, measuring a line segment, and drawing a line segment. So let's learn to find the diameters of the circles with the following radii. आपको radii दी गई हैं, आपको diameters find out करने हैं. Means आपको किसी भी सर्कल के रेडियस बताए गए हैं, आपको डायमीटर पता करना है. एंड यू नो दैट डायमीटर ऑफ द सर्कल इज जस्ट डबल द रेडियस. किसी भी सर्कल का डायमीटर जो है वो रेडियस का जस्ट डबल होता है, बिल्कुल डबल होता है. तो अगर आपको रेडियस पता है और आपको डायमीटर पता लगाना है तो आपको रेडियस को सिर्फ 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. यू विल गेट द डबल ऑफ द रेडियस दैट इज इक्वल टू diameter. Let's understand it with the help of examples. Our first example is radius which is given to us is 4 centimeter. So how will we do the sum is we will write radius is equal to 4 centimeter. And what we have to find out? We have to find out diameter. So in next line, we will write diameter that is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. 2 को रेडियस से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें डायमीटर मिलेगा. सो वी विल राइट द फॉर्मूला. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला. डायमीटर इज इक्वल टू 2 multiplied by radius. So whenever you have to find the diameter, you have to write this formula. ये आपको जरूर लिखना है. So diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius, and in next step you will write 2 multiplied by 4 centimeter. Why 4? Because our radius is 4 in this sum. इस sum में हमें radius 4 centimeter बताया गया है. तो 2 multiplied by 4 centimeter is equal to 2 4s are 8. 8 centimeter. So our answer is 8 centimeter. That means जिस सर्कल का रेडियस 4 सेंटीमीटर होगा उसका डायमीटर 8 सेंटीमीटर होगा. एंड नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज 30 सेंटीमीटर. दैट मीन्स रेडियस इज इक्वल टू 30 सेंटीमीटर. तो जब हम सॉल्व करना स्टार्ट करेंगे, फर्स्ट स्टेप हमारा होगा रेडियस इज इक्वल टू 30 सेंटीमीटर. In next step, we will write the formula to find out the diameter. That is, diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. And what is the value of radius here? 30 centimeter. So in next step, we will write 2 multiplied by 30 centimeter. And 2 3s are 6 and 2 30s are 60. So our answer is 60 centimeter. That means the circle which has the radius of 30 centimeter will have the diameter of 60 centimeters. Next question is find the radii of the circles with the following diameters. अब हमें diameter given है, हमें radius find out करने हैं. First example is 6 centimeter. That means diameter 6 centimeter है जिस circle का, उसका radius find out करना है. So first of all we will write diameter is equal to 6 centimeter. Next we will write the formula to find out radius, which is radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. क्यों होगा ऐसा? क्योंकि रेडियस डायमीटर का हाफ होता है और किसी भी नंबर का जब हमने हाफ पता लगाना होता है तो वी हैव टू डिवाइड दैट नंबर बाय 2. किसी भी नंबर का जब हमने हाफ करना है तो उस नंबर को 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं. सो आवर फॉर्मूला फॉर रेडियस बिकम्स रेडियस इज इक्वल टू डायमीटर डिवाइडेड बाय 2. चिल्ड्रन, आपको ये दोनों फॉर्मूले बहुत ध्यान से लर्न करने हैं. Diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius, and radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. So, first step में हमने लिखा था diameter is equal to 6 centimeter. Next step was radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. This is our formula. And now in next step we will write the value of diameter. और value क्या है diameter की हमारी 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter divided by 2 is equal to, you know, 2 3s are 6. तो 6 को जब 2 से divide करेंगे we will get the answer 3 centimeter. That means the circle which has the diameter of 6 centimeter will have the radius of 3 centimeter. That means radius is equal to 3 centimeter here. Now next example is 24 centimeter. That means diameter is given as 24 centimeter. So for in first step we will write diameter is equal to 24 centimeter. Next step will be the formula. Formula is radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. In next step we will write the value of diameter, that is 24 centimeter, and we will divide it by 2. 24 centimeter divided by 2. तो आप इसको रफ वर्क में डिवाइड करके देखोगे and you will get the answer 12 centimeter, because 2 ones are 2. We will get 1 as quotient, and in next step we will bring down 4, and 4 will be divided by 2 and we will get 2 as quotient, because 2 2s are 4, and we will get the quotient, final quotient will be 12. So our answer will be 12 centimeter. That means radius will be 12 centimeter. Children, you can see here I have a scale with me and it has some markings on it. You can see some lines are here and some lines are on the other side also. And we use this side of scale for measuring. Okay, you can see here numbers also. It is starting from 0, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and so on. So these are the markings for centimeter. From 0 to 1 we will measure 1 centimeter. From 1 to 2 another centimeter, and from 0 to 2 it will be 2 centimeters. And if we go from 0 to 3 it will be 3 centimeters. So this way we will use scale to draw a line segment. Okay, you can see some small markings also between 0 and 1. These are for millimeters. 10 millimeters make 1 centimeter. So we will use bigger markings for drawing lines. 0 से start होके अगर हम 1 तक जाएंगे तो ये 1 सेंटीमीटर होगा. 0 से स्टार्ट होके अगर हम 2 तक जाएंगे तो ये 2 सेंटीमीटर्स मेजर करेगा. अगर 0 से स्टार्ट होके हम 3 तक जाएंगे तो इट विल बी 3 सेंटीमीटर. सेम वे इफ वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 0 एंड गो टिल 6 it will be 6 centimeters. Now children, we will learn to draw a line segment. And first of all, we will draw a line segment of 5 centimeter. And for this, we will use this scale. And first of all, learn how to hold the scale. You have to put the scale straight on the notebook and hold the scale with your 2 fingers of left hand. You have to hold the scale tightly that it should not move. Now we will put mark on 0. You can see 0 here. First marking on the scale. So we will put a mark here and another mark will be on number 5. You can see number 5 here. We will put mark here like this. And now we will join these 2 markings. Like this. And now we will name the line segment A, B, and what is the measurement of this line? 5 centimeter. So we will write here 5 centimeter. Now let's take another example. Draw a line segment of 3 centimeters. Again we will use scale for this. And you know how to hold the scale? You have to put your 2 fingers of left hand on the scale, and first of all we will put mark on 0 like this. And where will another mark come? We have to draw line segment of 3 centimeter, so we will put another mark on 3 centimeter. And we will join these markings like this from 0 to 3 centimeter. Now we will remove the scale and name this line segment. Let's name it PQ. And you know it, we name the line segments with capital letters only. And what is the measurement of this line segment? 3 centimeter. So we will write 3 centimeter here. Children, now we will learn to measure the line segments. We will learn to measure the line segments using a ruler or scale. As our question is, measure the length of the given line segments using a ruler. Also name the line segments. So, first of all, we will do the A part. I will put the scale on the starting point, or you can say first end point of the line segment, as line segment you know has 2 end points. So I will put the scale like this on the first end point and just see where is the other end point. As you can see, for measuring the length of the line segment, we will put the 0 mark on the first end point. And now let's see where is the other end point. As you can see, it is at 4. So, and this side tells us about centimeters. So, the length of first line segment is 4 centimeter. So, we will write here 4 centimeter. And as we have to name the line segment also, so we will write, okay, what shall I write here? Let me write M and N. So the name of the line segment is MN. Name of the line segment is MN, and it measures 4 centimeter. So children, like this you can measure all these 3 line segments also. Just you have to take care that you have to place the ruler carefully. Its 0 should be on the first point of the line segment. जो भी starting point है आपके line segment का, 0 का mark आपका वहाँ होना चाहिए, और उसके बाद आप देखोगे कि ending point कहाँ आ रहा है. As you can see in example C, it is beginning from 0 but ending at where? You can see 9, and it's not finishing on 9, neither 10. ना तो ये 9 पर एंड हो रही है ना 10 पर एंड हो रही है. ये बीच में एक मार्क है which is for 0.5 centimeter. So the length of this line segment is 9.5 centimeter, which is the point of 9.5. Which points tell us? You can see this smaller line here, right? This is for 0.5, and as it is 9, it will measure as 9.5. So we will write 9.5 centimeter here. 9.5 centimeter here, and we can name the line segment as X and Y. So line segment XY measures 9.5 centimeter. 9.5 centimeter. So this way you can measure other 2 line segments also. And don't forget that we have to name the line segment with capital letters only. You cannot use small letters to name the line segment. Okay, children? So children, that's all for today. Thank you so much.